Now for Estonia, he jumped a clear yesterday. He's on 6.37. Penalty, 49th position, but he did jump clear. It just was not the quickest of the clears, of course. So for Estonia, Urmas riding Emil van der Kruijhaart.
Urmas has, of course, been very successful with his horse on the Eastern League, and young horse, 9-year-old daughter from Verdi, of course. Great style from Michael van der Vleuten, and jumped a very good ride yesterday. But you know, she takes her time. She's a big mover and slow over the jumps. And he's a little bit more in front of the leg there. Urmas, and but jumped a very good starting ride yesterday.
That's an interesting comment, Jess. You just said that brilliant forward jumper. Is that something that you teach them, or do they have a natural ability?
Well, if we wanted to go there now, that could take a long time. It's a phenomenon. There are some horses that naturally just look at the water and jump up in the air over it. There are other horses who literally just canter through it. There are other horses who are actually very frightened of it. And this is one of the reasons why it continues to make its appearance at championships, as it is part of the, I suppose you would say, part of the obedience that horses would jump waters. It's something that can be discussed. There are different opinions. I'm not a huge fan of water myself, but I would probably be in the minority. And you can just see this horse, the greenness more than anything else is coming through. As he does ride on a, as we would say, she's just finding that she's a little bit on her own now as the course goes on, and getting a few mistakes, but really a lovely mare. She's very young, and I actually think this pair could have a great future ahead of them. Maybe a little bit more work, and they can go really quite far.
So, Urmas ride for Estonia. Emil van der Kruijhaart compete on 25.37 penalties.
Slecht school. Ja. Nee, dat mag niet.